Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Amira Shafika binti Rosmizi. I am from AS2011A. For the subject of English oral presentation in code ELC 590, today I'm going to talk about the benefits of green tea. In the present of day, a lot of people always drink tea, especially people in Malaysia. Besides, knowing tea may give help to our body, but drinking green tea also has minerals that give good effects to our body. However, people tend to underestimate the beneficial of drinking green tea without realizing the consequence. For your information, green tea is a type that is made from Camellia sinensis leaf and buds that have not undergone the same withering and oxidation process used to make oolong teas and black teas. Green tea originated in China, but its production and manufacture has spread to other countries in East Asia. For the first benefits of green tea is green tea contains healthy bioactive compounds, which is rich in polyphenols. Green tea contains a catechin called EGCG. A catechin is natural oxidation that helps prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. EGCG can reduce the formation of free radicals in the body, protecting cells and molecules from damage. Green tea also has small amounts of minerals that can benefit to your health. Green tea also contains a few types of vitamin such as vitamin C, vitamins B2 and vitamins E that can help us to maintain our skin healthy. Other than that, green tea can improve brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a non-stimulant. Caffeine affects the brain by blocking an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine. This way, it increases the firing neurons and the concentration of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. Caffeine also can improve various aspects of brain function, including mood, vigilance, reaction time, and memory. Green tea also contains amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. L-theanine can increase dopamine and the production of alpha wave in the brain. Next, green tea may protect the brain from aging. Several studies show that the catechin compound in green tea can have various protective effects on neurons, which possibly lowering the risk of dementia. The bioactive compound in green tea can have various protective effects on the brain, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Moreover, green tea has antioxidants which can lower risk of some cancer. Research shown that oxidative damage can lead to chronic inflammation, which can lead to chronic disease, including cancers. Antioxidants can help protect against oxidative damage, such as a comprehensive review of observational study found that women who drank green tea had an approximately 20 until 30% lower risk of developing breast cancer. One study observed that men who drinking green tea had a lower risk of advanced prostate cancer. The lastly is an analysis of 29 studies show that those drinking green tea were around 42% less likely to develop colorectal cancer. Lastly is green tea may help prevent type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes involves having elevated blood sugar level, which may be caused by insulin resistance or an inability to produce insulin. One study in Japanese individual found that those who drink green tea had an approximately 42% of lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Some control studies show that green tea may cause mild reduction in blood sugar levels. Based on the graph, Green tea has the highest amount of EGCG among the level of tea such as black tea, oolong tea, and red tea. The amount is about 66 mg. Meanwhile, the caffeine, it has about 34 mg. Besides, green tea has the highest antioxidant, which is about 1,384 grams. In a nutshell, green tea has a lot of other benefits that can help people remain healthy, such as help prevent in cardiovascular disease and help in lose weight. I think people should drink green tea every day to remain healthy in the future, since it has a lot of benefits that can prevent several diseases. The advantage of drinking green tea, including improvement of brain functions, prevention in several diseases, and protection the brain from aging. For the references, this is the references that I already used to search the benefits of green tea. That's all for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.